Hi there, it's Kate Langford from Kate Langford Career Consulting. Today I just wanted to talk about the resume and LinkedIn overhaul with KLCC. Now, the resume and LinkedIn, really the nuts and bolts to your job search. It's really important that you have a resume that stands out really quickly in amongst 500 plus people at the moment. And you need to make sure you've got a LinkedIn profile and that you're using it properly and that it grabs the attention fast. Because everyone that is employing at the moment, HR, recruiters, employers, they will always search you on LinkedIn before the interview. So this is for you if you're stuck in a rut in your career, maybe you've lost your confidence, it's been worn down, where are you working, or maybe you're not working or being made redundant. Maybe you're struggling to sell yourself. It's really easy to know what you can do, but actually to be able to sell it and articulate that in a way can be hard. And also if you're sick of rejections, you're not getting those calls for interviews. Now, this is really, really important. So I'm Kate Langford and I own Kate Langford Career Consulting with over 15 years industry experience and CICA approved. We are an approved career practitioner, diploma of counselling, HR and management, and also certified career development. So my team and I there's about 15 of us as I record this. We've helped over 5,000 people get into jobs that they love in just 3 short years. We're all on a mission here and we have a no fluff approach. We get to the core of it. We're really honest to the point. And if you want the results, that's what we do. So why not you is the question. So we help so many people. We have hundreds of testimonials on the website. There's a tab for it there if you want to go and have a look. But every single day we get these come through and it just makes us so happy that we're making such an impact on people's lives. So if you want to be one of these people, then let us help. So this part of the program is where you get module 2 and 3. Okay, so in these 2 modules, you're going to be selling yourself on paper, module 2, and module 3, which is the hidden job network. Now, with these 2 modules, in module 2, you'll get the resume overhaul service, which includes the free cover letter, and you will get that 15-minute chat via Zoom or phone call with one of my team. And we're going to talk to you about what is going to be involved with your resume and any information that we need to be able to do that. And that takes about 3 to 4 working days. So with the LinkedIn overhaul, this is where we will do this after your resume and we will make sure that the algorithms are done correctly, that we are selling you efficiently, that your skills are right, recommendations, how to use it, all of that. Okay, so that's the done for you elements in the 2 modules. Now, inside the learning part of these modules, you will have access to module 2 and 3, which is about 7 lessons in each, and you'll have lifetime access to that. And then module 3 will be the job seeking outside the box. So how to work with recruiters effectively, the 50-minute LinkedIn masterclass that you can use once we've done it for you, how to tap into the hidden job market, and so much more. Okay, so you get lifetime access to this as well. And we are about the no fluff, fun, unique, easy to follow and time efficient process. So if you want to get started, all you need to do is think, are we a great fit? Are you coachable? Are you ready to take action? If you are yes in all of those and you want to get started, you've just got to make the payment below in the link and then we will be in touch with you to get that first consult for the resume booked in so that we can get started. So can't wait to help you.